Morning children. After a long time we are meeting together for the next classes. So already you have learned from the 3rd standard, you have learned the geometry. Now we are going to the 4th standard. So in 4th standard you are going to see about the first geometry. What is meant by geometry means it's a shape only the shapes, that is square, circle, triangle, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, so many shapes are there, trapezium, quadrilateral. So like this only we are going to see in this. Already you have seen, learnt in the 3rd standard. Now we are going to say about the 2D shaped objects. So kindly pay the attention children, because you have enjoyed your holidays. Now a little bit attention if you are shown to me, I can say the shapes. You can understand, easily understand. This maths is very easy. So நீங்கள் கொஞ்சம் கவனிச்சிங்கன்னா மேக்ஸ் வந்து கொஞ்சம் ரொம்பவே ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். பிகாஸ் ஷேப்ஸ் எல்லாம் ட்ரா பண்ணி தான் அதை வச்சு தான் வி ஆர் பில்டிங் த ஹவுசஸ், பில்டிங்ஸ், எவ்ரி திங். இந்த ஜாமெட்ரிக்கல் ஷேப்ஸ் இதை வச்சு தான் கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்டிங் த பில்டிங்ஸ், எவ்ரி திங் தே ஆர் டூயிங். ஸோ உங்களுக்கே தெரியும், ஸோ மெனி பில்டிங்ஸ் யூ ஹவ் சீன். நிறைய பில்டிங்ஸ் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க, வெரைட்டிஸ், ஐ மீன் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் பில்டிங்ஸ், ஒவ்வொன்றும் ஒரு ஷேப்பில் இருக்கும். ஓகே, அது ஐடி பார்க் பார்த்திங்கன்னா அது ஒரு ஷேப்பு, தென் ஆர் பார்லிமெண்ட் பார்த்திங்கன்னா அது ஒரு செமி சர்க்கிள் இது மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஸோ இது வந்து ஒவ்வொரு பில்டிங்ஸ், ஈவன் த ஃப்ளாட்ஸ் பார்த்திங்கன்னா it will be like that. Some of the flats will be only 2 floors and some will be the more than 10. So different types of shapes are used in our normal life, daily we have been seeing. So here in this we are going to see about the 2D shapes, that is the shapes. What are the shapes around us? Nammal sutte enna shapes, what are the shapes we are having means square, circle, triangle, rectangle, then pentagon. Pentagon வந்து நம்ம house shape, hexagon, pentagon. So pentagon நம்ம house மாதிரியே இருக்கும், கொஞ்சம் இந்த hut house மாதிரி village இருக்கு. So what is the shape? A shape that can be drawn. அந்த shape வந்து ஒரு plain figure, ஒரு white paper or anything you can draw in a plain surface is called it. That is the plain figure. Plain figure means a shape, any shape you can draw on a plain surface that can be drawn in a plain surface. Plain na or samama ordinary irukra samamana tharayila plain surface is called, or any paper you can draw, it's called a plain figure. Okay, a shape that can be drawn, enna shape enala neenga varayalam, that can be drawn in a plain surface, any plain paper. This is a printed paper, any plain paper, in a plain surface. Even on the while they are doing the column போடும்போது அம்மா பார்த்தீங்கன்னா sometimes வந்து டாட் வச்சு கோலம் போடுவாங்க. அப்போ வாசலில் பார்க்கும்போது in the front road it will be plain only. So in that she will put the, sometimes she will put the column and the lines போட்டு இப்படி போடுவாங்க, or she will put the dots. Sometimes she will put a column like this. So something like this, she will put the columns using the dots on the lines, plain surfaces. So what are the shapes of the plain surfaces? You can say the square, the rectangle, and then triangle, circle. You have already learnt in the 3rd standard. Square, rectangle, triangle, circle, semicircle. Semicircle means circle la paadi irukadhu da semicircle. Okay, a circle on the full arc, if you put the line like this and cut it into half, that is called the semicircle. So ipo oru line irukku, and the line வந்து full-ஆ இருக்குது. Okay, அது half-ஆ cut பண்ணா that will become the semi. Semi na paadi. So circle la paadi da semicircle. And then pentagon. So pentagon வந்து actually it's a house shape. This is the pentagon. So semicircle, this is the new one, and this is also the new one, because these shapes you have already seen from the 1st standard linde neenga shapes paathirpeenga. So this only is the new for you. So these are the shape drawn on a plain surface. Okay, so you can draw any in the shape வச்சு you can draw anything. நீங்கள் நிறைய போட்டிருப்பீங்க, ஈவன் ஒரு கார் வரையணும், இல்லை ஏதாவது ஒரு இது ட்ராயிங் போட சொன்னாக்கா, உங்கள் மிஸ் ட்ராயிங் போட சொன்னால் You will be using this square, circle, everything. This use panni da you can draw any pictures you can draw. And now here they are given one activity exercises for you. I will draw the picture. You also can draw this. You can take one paper and pencil, okay, and then you draw what all I have drawn. So you draw what I have drawn here and say what is the shape inside that picture, okay. So just listen carefully. It's easy only, it's like a game only, as a puzzle also. You can even play, draw and ask your friends, idu enna shape, what are the shapes, ipo na draw panna podla enna shapes irukku. You can draw any picture, the circle, square, which any picture you can draw and ask your friends to say what are the shapes inside the picture. So here I am drawing one picture, it's a circle. So just draw a circle and put the eyes. Then his mouth is like a square. Okay, that's a simple drawing only. And this is the arrow mark. So draw like this. Okay, then don't. So easily you can draw and you can see the shapes also. See? So one man, one boy like this. Okay, yeah. Then here another one, another picture. That's a square. No, so just I'll draw here. Shall I draw here? So draw the square and put the eyes for the circle and nose. This is a triangle and his mouth for the rectangle. See, it seems to be like a face, you know. So just you can draw. Enjoy the drawing, children. So that you can spend your time usefully. So like this, evenly you can draw. And then here's the rectangle, his legs. It seems to be his legs. So these are the two pictures. Now in these pictures, what are the shapes are there? You can easily say because already we have seen. So in this we got a circle, his head and his eyes. So you write circle shape is there, circle. Then here his mouth, it seems to be as a square. So you just write a square shape. And his hands, these two it seems to be is a rectangle, straight lines, that is the rectangle. And this one, these two hands, it seems to be like a triangle. Okay, so you write the triangle. Again, its legs, it seems to be as a rectangle. So we have already written the rectangle. So no need to write it again and again because already that shape we have written here. And here this one is also the rectangle. So this is enough. So what all the shapes are there? Again it is repeated, no need to write, one time that is enough. So in this picture we have seen circle, square, rectangle and triangle. Okay, now we will move on to the next picture. In this picture this is different. His face is as a circle and this face seems to be as a square. So you just write square and then two eyes is a circle and his nose seems to be as a triangle and his mouth, it seems to be as a rectangle. So you can use these shapes and you can draw on your own, any pictures you can draw. You can use your anything you can draw. Tomorrow I will come and say, day after tomorrow, any class if I started means you can show it to me. So this is the square, square, eyes is a circle and nose is a triangle and mouth is a rectangle and his hands and legs also is a rectangle. Okay. So like this we can identify the pictures like this and shapes. So now you know all this, and again another one, now you have to say how many number of squares and rectangles in this picture I am drawing. Now I am going to draw one picture. Okay, I am going to draw one picture and you have to say how many squares, how many rectangles, how many triangles. So you have to count and see. Okay, let us see that. So first you draw one square and here one square and here one square. Here it is. Evenly you can draw. It seems to be like this. Okay. So squares, how many squares? 5 squares I have drawn. Now you put this as a rectangle drawn like this. Join these lines so that you can get the triangle. Okay. Now again here in this you put the triangle. Okay, now we have to say how many squares are there and how many triangles are there. So you can count the square and this is the triangle. So if it is square means you put yes. So this is the square, yes. This is the square, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many yes is the square? That is 5, square shape. And then now we are going to count the triangles. So how many triangles are there? This is the 1. You just put T. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So T means triangle. So I just put T, T, T. So how many triangles are there? 12 triangles. Okay. So like this you can draw some other pictures also. You can draw on your own. And you can even so any shape you can draw and you can count it like this and ask your friends. Along with your friends you can draw any picture. Even in columns also, even I draw now, no, that is the triangle. Here we have seen the triangle. So in this how many triangles are there? You can ask your friends like this. You can draw the shapes and ask how many triangles are there. Like that you can ask your friends. Any pictures you can draw and ask them the triangle and square. And now again this house. This is the shape of the house. Usually we used to draw like this only. So this is the shape of the house. Now you have to say how many triangles are there and how many rectangles are there. Now tell me triangles. How many triangles are there? You have only one triangle. Only one triangle is there. So you put triangle. And how many rectangles? 1, 2 and 3. So in this rectangle is 3. Okay. Now next one. Yeah. You have to draw the another shape. Draw shape like this. So like this you can draw. This is the pentagon because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides means that is the pentagon. So you can draw like this. I will draw in the middle. So draw neatly and slowly so that you can get the pictures correctly. Okay. So now you draw the rectangle 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. So now you have to write. Now you can cut the shape. What shape is here? Inside it, this is the pentagon. So you have to shade this shape inside. So what shape you can get is pentagon. So you write pentagon shape is there. 5 sides 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the shape will become like this. So this is called pentagon. So 5 sides is pentagon and one more shape. If you cut this one is triangle. Outside வந்து எல்லா picturesமே triangle shapeல இருக்கு outside is. So that is the triangle. So if we take out this triangle, so இப்போ இந்த triangle எல்லாம் நான் அழிச்சிட்டேன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. Just if I cut it off. So what shape is here? This is the pentagon. Okay. Now the next one is So two mountains are like this. So in drawing also, if you ask them to draw the mountains, you will draw like this. So this is the two triangles that just seems to be as a mountain. So now what you have to say, what is the shape here is, here these points are joining, no? So just you put the line and we have to shade this one. And this is the shape of the trapezium. So two triangles you have put and this joint. So this is the shape of the trapezium and this is the triangles. So if you shade these portions, which is the joining, the two triangle joining points, we can get the shape of the trapezium. So the trapezium will be like this. Okay, so this is the shape of the trapezium. Now, the next one is drawing the circles. You know how to draw the circles. How to draw the circles, you know. We have been using bangles or coins, 1 rupee coins, 50 paise coins, or your mother's bangles or your sister's bangle. You can draw the circle. Okay. So another thing is, see, by using the bangles, we can draw the circle, or using the coins, 50 paise coin, 1 rupee coin, 50 paise or 10 rupee coins. Like this, we can draw a circle. Another way of drawing the circle is, you know how to draw a circle. In a pencil, you can tie the thread. I can tie the thread and keep it on a paper, plain paper, and put a point on it. So in a plain paper, suppose if this is the paper, so you put the point here, and the pencil la vandu or thread kattidunga, end of chinna thread irukattum. So end of the thread vandu center point la inga vechittu, and the type and the pencil, if you move it like this, it will become a circle. So tomorrow I will show how to draw this circle by using this pencil. Okay. Now, so tomorrow you get one paper and a pencil tied with a thread, so that we can draw a circle using the thread. Now, now we are going to draw a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Note down the spelling, quadrilateral. So already we have seen the shape square, circle, triangle and rectangle. In this, we are going to see now is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is, this is the square only. In this square, the two diagonals, and these are the corners A, B, C and D. So this is the quadrilateral. All the four sides are a closed figure. Whichever sides are a closed figure, that is called the quadrilateral. So it has four sides, A, B, C, D. Quadrilateral means joining all the four sides. So that is AB, that is equal to BC, and that is equal to CD, and that is equal to DA. So all the closed figures of a square of the shape is called a quadrilateral. All the closed figures. Of a shapes are called quadrilateral. So it has got two diagonals. So what are the two diagonals? AC. Here is A and here is C. So two diagonals, that is equal to, first one is AC, that is equal to B and D. So these are the two diagonals. And vertices. Vertices means this is the corner. So vertices, what are the four vertices are there? Four vertices, A, B, C and D. So A, B, C and D. These are the four vertices you can see. And then two diagonals, AB and AC is equal to BD. This is the two diagonals. Okay. Okay children. So now this quadrilateral you learn, sit and do it and draw it and see. Thank you children.